How the construction industry become a role model for PM books schedule management? Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Herran, and today I'm going to talk about how a specific industry has developed such an effective way of managing one of the areas in PMBOK that could serve as a model for best practices. The industry I choose is construction, and the knowledge area it related to is a project schedule management. Now, let me explain why. In the construction industry, time the time is everything. Delays can cause major economic losses, legal issues, and even safety concerns become and that companies in the sector have developed extremely detailed and structured s- schedule practices that practices are not just theoretical, they are an fundamental part of how construction projects are planned and executed every single day. One of the most important tools used is the critical path method or CPM. This technique helps identify the most important tasks in the project, the ones that directly affect the completion date. If any of these tasks are delayed, the entire project gets delayed. By focuses of these critical task project management managers can allocate resources better and avoid bottlenecks. But this is not all. Construction companies also use Gantt charts, milestone tracking, and process progress report to visualize how a project in process over time. These tools allow manager to detect everything of delay and take a intermediate action. Nowadays, many construction firms also use powerful software like Primavera's P7, MS Project, or Oracle are context. This platform help integrate the planning phase with real-time updates from the field workers and site engineers can report process directly from the construction site using mobile apps or cloud-based platforms, keeping the schedule accurate on up to date. Another great practice is rolling wave. Planning the means that the project schedule is planned in waves. Your plan is detailed only what near in the time and leave the rest more flexible only and you get close these heaviest themes. The ability to adjust to change an uncertain size which is especially important in the large of complex projects like skyscrapers, bridge, or airports. All of these tools and methods align perfect with the PM's book area of project schedule management, but in construction they are applied with such deep and conscienticity that becomes second nature. This is why believe that the construction industry is of the best example of how schedule management should be done. In fact, most of what is in the PM books today regarding time management has been influenced by how construction companies operate. And this shows us that sometimes real world practices in certain certain industries become so successful and efficient that they of shaping the standard we all follow. The summary is the construction industry demonstrated that excellent schedule planning, tracking, and updating are no just theory. They are necessary for successful success, and that is why serves as model for entry PM's knowledge area. Thank you, teacher, for this watching. Bye.